บายดี today มาเฮ็ดแกงเผ็ดไก่ okay today we making chicken curry แกงเผ็ด okay is I'm gonna use the whole chicken and all the ingredient I have here. I have a bamboo, long bean, sweet basil, and this is green eggplant. And this is all the herbs that I have, like pepper, lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaf. Okay, I have this one is from the freezer today. Cannot go to my garden because it's too dark. I get off from work a little late tonight. And then I have a chicken flavor, and this is shrimp paste. And then I have a right here fish sauce. And this is red curry, okay, with the oil, sugar, and this is coconut milk. And then I have the right here I have a young sweet corn, and this is the quail egg right there. Okay, so I'm gonna open up later. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I would like to do is like go ahead prepare my chicken first, okay, and then I get back with you a little bit, okay. Okay, get back again, and I cut everything and already be prepared my chicken cut and all my ingredient all cut and be prepared. Now I'm gonna go ahead put the vegetable oil on first, okay. Put the vegetable oil on, and my heat right now I go ahead put on high for right now. It's okay. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead put half can of my my coconut milk, half can. Okay, mix with my vegetable oil, and then now we use a red curry paste. Put it. And then mix well, okay? And make sure it's no stick at the bottom of the pan and burn, okay? Very, very careful. I'm gonna use this one. Little sticky sometimes. And I'm gonna kind of let it slow cook until it's become like red and very creamy, okay? The coconut, like they all gonna be like stick together and be good. But right now it's still like milk, you know, like coconut milk right now. So it's take a little while. Like once again, I always say this: don't go away when you cook the coconut milk and curry paste because you can burn them too, okay? So just stand by and stir slowly like this. If they get little too hot, lower the heat down because it can be popped everywhere, okay, when they get too hot. See? I mean, this last piece is to have so many ingredients, and the taste is amazing with the jasmine rice. And it looks like it's a lot of work, but it's worth it, okay, guys? Take some time. That's an egg. Coconut and curry paste. The red curry paste is already, you know, completely cooked. It's kind of like, you see how like red, and it smells so good, and they all stick together like that. See, they don't run no more. The coconut don't run no more, so it's perfect right there. So what I like to do, I like to save for later. Almost half. How about that? Okay, just right there. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead put my chicken in it. And then I want to go ahead put the salt, sprinkle in, and then the chicken flavor. Okay. Then you want to color. Go ahead. Put the heat up to high heat. It smells so good. It's beautiful color. This is a fish sauce, shrimp paste, sugar, then I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk in. I just don't want the bottom to be burned, okay? So you go ahead and add the coconut milk in a little bit. It's kind of like allow the chicken to be cooked. Go ahead and put my lemongrass in. Galangal. Kaffir lime leaf. And save my pepper for later. Okay, the chicken kind of like cook a little bit, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Okay, go ahead and add some water. Okay, and I'm gonna leave about good 15 minutes, and we're gonna follow with the vegetable and all that. Okay. Okay, we let it boil about 20 minutes, and I'm still sit around and do this. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all the vegetable in. Oh my God, it smells so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the green bean first, okay? Because it's a little hot to cook this one, but you know, we're gonna leave about 10 minutes after we put all the vegetable. Eggplant. Lots of vegetable, all the healthy stuff. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Wow. And it smells so good. I wish you guys sit around here. I don't know how to explain the smell. It smells so good. That's bamboo. Put the bamboo in. Chili pepper and the sweet young corn. Oh wow, look at that. That looks so yummy. Quail egg. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save these three at the end, okay? Like sweet basil, we wait for last, and then I'm gonna go ahead add the coconut milk into this too. Wow, look at that color. Packing ka tayo, no? Follow with the basil, sweet basil. Smells so good. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat, okay? It's all cooked. Okay, I put all the stuff, everything, all the ingredient, everything together, and I'm gonna taste what it tastes like, okay? See if you need to add anything. What I put in here, that's how I like to taste, but you know, everybody tastes different, so if you want to add some more sugar or salt, more than happy to put on, but let me see how mine tastes. It's just perfect for me with the rice. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the bowl so you see what it's like. I love chicken. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let me taste the food. Come on, join me, guys. Look at the chicken.